Hey guys, it's Amber here. Thank you so much for joining me today on my channel, Plan Aloud. And today we are going to be creating my favorite page, my currently page for March, and let's just get it going. Okay guys, so if you haven't been here before, hi, I'm Amber, and I gave myself a challenge. I believe it was April or May of last year to use a full sticker book. I'm almost there. Look at that, guys. It's really low. And this is Happy Year. And I will be using this sheet here. I think it's just like so perfect, especially right now. Like, I live in SoCal and it's super rainy. It's actually raining right now as I'm planning this. So it's just perfect. And when this goes live, it will be St. Patrick's Day. So I'm hoping I'll be able to use this whole page. If not, I will use these stickers some other way, but I'm very close to using a full sticker book, guys. I think I'm gonna keep this going because I know I still have Christmas in here, so there's no way I'm gonna use it all this year. Then I went into Unique Alphas and chose my letters. Let's see. Is it these ones? Yes, for March currently. And I'm also going to pull my boxes from Colorful Boxes, and I believe there was a couple boxes in here. Happy Year, not Happy New Year. So silly. Okay, so when I think of rainbows, they gotta be in the sky. So let's pull this big one up. Ooh, and I like that it's the background of it is blue. That is nice. Let's get some raindrops in there. I hope you guys are all doing super well. I'm doing incredibly well today. Today has been kind of rough, for the simple fact that I've just been tired. I had a bad night's sleep, but aside from that, today's been pretty good. I actually like it with just that one. Maybe I'll just put some, oh, not too much, because I'm gonna put March currently here, but I don't think I want it on that rainbow. So let's do this. I know that's kind of weird, but we're going with it. And there are these super cute clovers. So let's pop some clovers up there. And let's put our March currently down. I usually would do this without you guys because it's pretty time consuming most of the time, but I'm hoping that I can just like pop this down as easily as possible with no mishaps. I cannot guarantee that because I am a mishap. I do crazy things all the time, and I figured this would be really perfect with all the like cute purple and stuff in the rainbows. And I'm not doing this with tweezers or a ruler. I'm just getting as close to the edge of my paper as possible. That's all it is. Nothing too fancy or anything. Sometimes I care about like the straightness and all that stuff, but other times I just don't care because everything can't be perfect all the time. I'm actually pretty excited for this currently page. I mean, I'm always excited for currently pages. They are by far my favorite like page to create in my planner. So, but for some reason I'm like really excited about this one. You see those are all crooked, and we're just gonna keep trugging through, because why not? Currently. And I know most people wouldn't ride bikes in the rain, but where I live, I see people ride bikes in the rain all the time. It is so typical. We're gonna put our cute little bike. I don't know if I should put both of these in here. I really want to put the splish splash. I mean, I really want to put both. I'm honestly going to make another page with these because I've been hoarding these stickers because they're so cute. I just don't know what kind of page I want to create, you know? I just think this is too perfect to not put with this like rainy theme and this super rainy weather I'm sitting in right now. It has been raining pretty consistently all day. Okay, so I actually have more categories this month than I normally do, because why not? That's just what happened. But most of them are small categories. So let's see. I'm gonna pull this back in. And we're definitely gonna go for these purples and blues. I don't know if we're gonna use all of these, but I just want to pull them out just because I think it's time for another one of these books for sure. This book is almost all the way used up. Guess I really wasn't using the purple and the pinks out of this book. I think I honestly forget about this book because I haven't used it in so long. I have a category that is this small, so absolutely. Ooh, guys, this is my favorite. Pulling out an empty page. Do you guys get satisfaction out of that? I definitely do. Let's go to this section. See, there's a couple up here too. I think the teal would work best. Let me see which color teal. Ooh, this one. I do have a couple that are small. I definitely pulled more boxes than I needed, which is just fine. So I'm gonna use this lined one for my music. I think, let's hope I can pull this up, because this paper is not easy to pull up. Oh, never mind. Because I really want to layer it over this umbrella handle. And it is crooked. So let's see what we got going on here. That is still crooked. I might end up cutting that handle off because I don't really care for that. And then I'm gonna put this one down here for watching. And I'm gonna use this fun purple probably for planning. That one there. There. Let's give it some like more dimension, I guess. I think this one needs to be moved a little bit. Like this. And this one could be moved slightly like this. No. It's like Cricut boxes time for me. Still don't like it. Maybe if I move it slightly over. I'm actually going for that kind of look, which is a look I'm normally not going for. Let's see. Sometimes I just don't know where to put some of my boxes. I don't know how I want them lined up. I feel like I want to break this up somehow. And this box is really bothering me. Oh my goodness. Guys, I am so excited for my dinner tonight. I made ramen, or I'm making ramen rather. I've already made the broth, and if you've had ramen, the broth, I feel like the broth is what makes the ramen, right? I feel like this is so bright and cheery. Love the colors. This is the only thing about not using paper that has some lines or something to it. Maybe I should move this one. For some reason, it's really bothering me right there. Let me see if I can get these then to like kind of look like they have some sense. Sorry for adjusting the boxes so many times. I know it could just be annoying. I mean, these boxes are so crooked. Alright guys, so those are my category, or those are my boxes. I am going to go fill this out and I will be back. Okay guys, so I have everything all written out, all cute. I really love how it came together once everything is actually written down on the page. So I'm just gonna go from the top to the bottom. So right now I am planning, or me and my best friend, or one of my best friends, we are planning our girls trip to Palm Springs. It's gonna happen in early April, so we're super excited. We're going to be celebrating 25 years of friendship, guys. That's longer than me being with my spouse, so that's huge. We're both like, we've been with each other longer than our significant other, which is true. And I am dreaming of an island vacation. I'm not one for heat, and I'm not one for sand or beaches or anything like that. Like, it's just not my jam, but I love traveling. I want to go somewhere. I'm so tired of being in the States. It's not even funny. I'm ready to, even if we weren't even to go out the States and we went to like just Hawaii or the Bahamas, like just, I just need a break from the US of A, the connected part at least. And I am drinking pineapple peach kombucha. If you don't like kombucha, then you're just not gonna like it. But I'm super picky when it comes to my kombucha. It always has to be like the fruitiest of the fruity flavors. So pineapple and peach is pretty up there on the sweetness chart, and it's so good. And then of course I've been drinking a lot more water, and I've been cutting down on my caffeine because I noticed that it doesn't make me feel the best. So, but also with me not drinking coffee doesn't make me feel the best. So I'm in that weird like place. I gotta like detox the coffee out of me. And if I do drink coffee, it's probably gonna have to be decaf. Okay, and right now I'm feeling emotional, and that's probably just because we're coming up on the 1-year anniversary of my grandmother passing. My menstrual's about to start. I was watching on Instagram, this is gonna sound so silly. It was a handle on Instagram, and it was called Queer, and it was just like all the LGBTQ community, and it was just this really cute couple. They were like sitting there like having a conversation. Their friends weren't even paying attention to them, and one of them just got down on one knee and proposed, and everybody like jumped up and was so excited. I busted into tears. That's the kind of emotional I'm talking about. Just like emotional for all the wrong reasons. And you know, I seen a puppy today, and he made me so excited. Tears started to come to my eyes. Emotional, guys. The emotions are on the edge. I'm not necessarily sad or anything. It's just the emotions, you know, are just very on the edge, on the surface. And eating, I've been eating these lemon plums. I went to the Asian market, and even though they're not grown in like a part of Asia, they're grown in Chile, because I actually like seen where they were grown. But they were at the Asian market, and they were called lemon plums. They actually look like a lemon. I don't like to eat them in that state because they are pretty sour. I like to wait till they get like a little bit more ripened, and then they turn like a really like pretty like orangey yellow color. And this might be gross to other people, but they taste florally, but they were really good. It's like a plum flavor, but with like a little floral like hint. Me and my family love them. They're super good. They're really juicy. I definitely will be buying more. They're so good. And I've been loving the rain, and I put it in capitals because everybody around me has been complaining about the rain, and I love it. It's raining right now, and it's just so soothing. Okay, listening, guys, is always my favorite category, and right now I'm listening to Evenings, and it's called Friend Lover. And I mean, it's like a really soft, gentle song, but the like percussion buildup is so good, and it's so gradual, and it's just super chill, and then it like builds into this like atmospheric like meld of great music. it's so good. It's just really good, like soothing listening. And I feel like it's like the music that helps you think deeply and more intently, more cautiously, more consciously. It's just really, really good. It's my jam. It just really, really like transports me to somewhere that I've been like dreaming of. You know, like we all have those dreams where you are on this like remote place and it's just like you can hear the waves and the sun is just like beautifully glowing. It just takes me to like that kind of place. The other one is Motorcycle. As the Rush Comes. This is like intense trance. It has intense trance beats, if you know what that means. If you know what trance music is, it's like it's music that you dance to if you take a certain kind of I don't want to say that aloud, but it's like has like slow melancholy like undertones. I mean, it's so good. And then like the singing is like intense but very breathy and soft. It's just really amazing. It always takes me to a happy place, even though it's a sad song. And then this Tiesto song. Tiesto is like one of the like ultimate EDM kind of trance DJs, and this song in particular, Adiogo for Strings, it was the first song that I walked into when I went to my very first rave, and every time I hear it, it transports me there. I can see myself walking through the tunnel and going to the Electric Daisy concert or Electric Daisy festival. It was just amazing. And like to see like Tiesto spinning and Infected Mushrooms. I think I just lost my mind after I saw Infected Mushrooms playing. I don't even listen to them anymore because it's the stuff that I feel like you have to be on those things to like listen to it. It's just so intense. But this particular song just always transports me there and transports me to my early 20s. This song's been out for almost 20 years and it takes me there every time. I can see every single person I'm with and it's amazing. And then I've also been listening to the podcast Spice Chaos. If you guys don't know, that is a planner podcast. They have been MIA for almost a year. They just came back. I'm glad they worked their little friendship out. That is wonderful. And I'm just always so excited to hear from those ladies talk. And there's not a lot of planner podcasts that I listen to. So to be able to listen to them, and then also Meg and Myra, what's the podcast called? I can't even think of it. It's pretty sad, but Meg and Myra, if you know, you know. And then watching, these are all pretty different. No, not really. Maybe. The first one is In the Name of God, A Holy Betrayal. It's based in Korea, and the guy is basically like a cult leader and uses his religion, his faith, to kind of control people. Not kind of control people, to control people. And it's like an 8-part series. I've only gotten through about 1.5 episodes. It's pretty good. It's really sad. Some of the things that he's done to these people, it's tough. Culty stuff is really weird to me. Okay. And then there's the Murdoch Murders, A Southern Scandal. I believe this is a 4 to 6 part series, and I've already watched it once through. And when it's something this intense and it's just been all over the news, I do like to go back and watch it a second time. So that's why it's still on my watch list, because I am going to watch it again. And then and both of those are on Netflix. And then on Hulu, I've been watching 2020, old episodes, new episodes. It doesn't matter. Just been watching the things because I love me some 2020. I used to watch it all the time with my mom. Okay, with that being said, let's pop some more decor in here, because we definitely should do that. Let's get some rain boots. I definitely wanted to put these in here. I think I want to put them here. I think I don't like this rain. Oh yeah, that's way better. I think I'm gonna cut this rain because I'm not really liking it. I don't know why. You guys ever like find yourself like not liking something, particularly how they shaped it for us? You gotta like cut it and jimmy rig it your way. I mean, I'm not saying I'm gonna like it when I do it, but yes, I do. I like it better. Oh gosh. I want another little rainbow, because who doesn't love, I mean, I guess some people don't like rainbows, but those people probably got some other issues going on. But I loves me a rainbow. They are fun. I'm gonna put the rest of these down, and I'm gonna use this Lucky in some other spread with this rainbow. Not in a spread, but just somewhere else. It might be in a spread or something coming up. I'm not sure. We'll see. But I just want to use as much of these things as possible. Let's do some rain. Definitely going to be cutting this rain. Can you guys hear the rain in my background? It's so soothing. Do you guys find rain soothing, or do you find it like a nuisance? I was looking to actually talk to both of my best friends today, and one of them lives like really close to me. The other one lives in San Diego. And my friend that lives close to me, she like can't stand it. She was like driving home in the rain, and she's like, oh my gosh, why are there so many bad drivers? I'm like, girl, you know, in California people don't know how to drive when it starts raining. But I feel like because we've gotten so much rain, like people are kind of getting used to it and are driving like semi better. And I do mean semi, guys. Semi better. Oh man. But you know, the more practice you have, the better you'll get. So I feel like that's where we are right now with the rain and the people in California. At least the people down here. I don't know about in Northern California. Let's hope they're driving pretty decent. I don't know how I like that. I have these like 2 that I cut, so I think I'm gonna cut them individually. Because why not? It's kind of hard to grip the paper, like the sticky paper, and cut, especially like a tiny little raindrop. But look how cute that came out. Got one little raindrop to go. Got stuck with my scissors. Uh-oh. It might have foiled me. Oh boy. Alright, it doesn't look the best, but we're gonna keep going. I just have one more clover to grab. Okay, so there we go. All right, this did not come out as I planned, but it's still super cute. I really like it. I used almost the whole page, guys. I'm very excited. I'm gonna use this somewhere. Maybe I'll use it in my planner. In my journal. But there you go. And the things that I used were unique alpha fonts, happy year, colorful boxes. If you guys like this, you should definitely give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, click the notification so you'll be notified when I post content. Thank you so very much, and remember to have a beautiful one and to try something new. Bye.